I'm here in Palmer, and there have been sustained hurricane force winds here for 2 days, and last night up on the mountain, or the hills there where I was on property, and it's a high wind area there, and up in the trees it sounded like a tornado. I've never heard such frightening wind as that before, ever. Just horrifying sound. About 100 or 200 feet in the air. It sounded like gusting or sustained 200 knots or greater. But I'm safe in town here, and I'm not going outside. It's a reminder to have backups when the power goes out. Does your furnace work? Backup heat. Electricity don't work when it goes off. And safe fuel, heat, and lighters don't work in this temperature. Matches don't work in the wind. That chill factor is, I mean, you may as well be on the moon. It kind of looks like the moon there, doesn't it? So signing off. May God have mercy on us and deliver us and help us to live in peace and be delivered from this wrath of nature. When I said that, it said 3:16 and 3:17 on my phone screen. I would describe it as a roaring of the wind up on the hill there. You can see it on the mountain up there. For 2 days the snow has been blowing. It's got to be well over 200 knots up there. It reminds me of the 1964 Good Friday earthquake, the largest recorded earthquake in effect in recorded history, well over 9.23 whatever. And I was in the basement as a child of an old log house, and it roared for 5 minutes. That earthquake roared like a freight train or a 747 for 5 minutes. And this wind is roaring, sustained. See, hear that? It hasn't let up for 2 days. Sustained hurricane force winds. Without the right gear, you could be dead in 5 minutes out there. And training.